In this tutorial, you will learn how to create and set up a nozzle within your InCommand Go display. Having a nozzle selected in the InCommand Go display allows you to utilize features such as droplet size monitoring, pressure fallback, and pressure-based rate control. Nozzle selection is supported with Direct Command L2, Right Spot, and Isobus liquid systems. This video will show how to add a nozzle for a sprayer using the Direct Command L2 with Right Spot modules. To create a nozzle, you will first need to be loaded to the mapping screen with your spraying configuration. To access the nozzle selection screen, tap on the nozzle icon. Within the nozzle selection window, there will be a preloaded list of generic nozzles to choose from. To create a custom nozzle, tap the green plus. For this tutorial, we will build a turbo T-jet nozzle as an example. For the entirety of this nozzle setup, you must reference your nozzle manufacturer's tip chart. You must first enter the nozzle name. Then select the nozzle color from the drop-down. Next, fill in the reference pressure and reference flow. These values are required to create a custom nozzle. A reference PSI of 40 is commonly used. However, this can vary based on your nozzle type and specific application needs. Regardless of what reference pressure is used, always use the flow capacity of that nozzle at that specific pressure. This will be your reference flow. If preferred, you may also enter a minimum and a maximum pressure. Having a min and max pressure entered allows the system to alert the user if the main boom pressure falls outside of that range. If the nozzle is compatible with a nozzle pulsing system, like Right Spot, you'll want to check nozzle pulsing. If the nozzle is not compatible, for example with air induction nozzles, then you will leave nozzle pulsing unchecked. To finish the nozzle setup, tap Droplet Size Setup. First, enter the max pressure for the nozzle indicated on the tip chart. Then, tap each droplet size that the nozzle is capable of. Lastly, enter the minimum pressure for each droplet size by tapping on the calculator icon. Tap the green check. Tap the green check to save this custom nozzle. Select your newly created nozzle from the list, then tap the green check. Now you can see the name and color of your custom nozzle on the mapping screen, along with a pressure gauge that displays various color ranges to indicate a change in droplet size. The droplet size will also be displayed here with its corresponding abbreviations. If we return to the nozzle selection screen by tapping the nozzle icon, you will also notice the nozzle list is now filtered by custom nozzles only. To change the filtered list of nozzles, check or uncheck the generic and custom boxes. To delete a nozzle, select your nozzle from the list, then tap the red minus. To edit a custom nozzle, select your nozzle from the list, then tap the wrench. Please note generic nozzles cannot be edited or deleted. Now, you will be able to successfully create a nozzle to utilize all the features within the Direct Command L2 system. If you'd like to see more short tutorials from Ag Leader, please subscribe to our YouTube channel.